EdrawMind Honest Review. My user experience with this mind mapping software. If you need a tool to organize ideas or brainstorm efficiently, EdrawMind might be the solution. I explored it in depth, and here's my honest review. Most people assume mind mapping software is basic, but the surprising truth is EdrawMind offers advanced features like topic relationships, multi-branch layouts, and real-time collaboration. It's perfect for personal and professional projects. Getting started was straightforward. I created a mind map for a work project, added nodes, colors, and icons, and linked ideas effortlessly. The drag and drop interface is intuitive, and the variety of templates speeds up planning. Collaboration is seamless. Team members can edit simultaneously, leave comments, and track changes. Exporting to PDF, Word, or image formats is easy, making it simple to share maps with clients or colleagues. The downside is that the free version has some limitations, and mastering all advanced features takes time. Still, the combination of usability, design options, and collaboration features makes it worthwhile. In conclusion, EdrawMind is a versatile mind mapping tool that helps organize ideas, manage projects, and collaborate effectively. Whether for work or personal use, it's a solid choice for anyone needing visual organization.